All right, so that big old front came through yesterday, and boy, oh boy, if you didn't notice how cold it is, you probably heard that wind just whipping around outside. Now, we're no strangers to some stronger winds, sustained right now about 21 miles an hour, just enough that, you know, once you drive by the airport, yeah, you got to start correcting the steering on your car. All right, nonetheless, though, 56 degrees, not too bad. It's just fine when you have ample sunshine, but it's very dry outside. Maybe need that lotion for tonight. Your hands start to dry out just a little bit. Nothing too terribly bad though. 58 in Odessa, 56 in Andrews, 55 in Seminole, 57 in Ozona, as well as Big Spring. Overall, all right, slightly below average. I'm not going to complain about that. Northerly winds keeping any kind of that leftover cloud cover from yesterday out of the forecast region entirely. Hey, we'll take some cooler temperatures with ample sunshine. Leaves for very nice conditions outdoors. But tonight, whew, wow, yeah, that's getting just a little bit on the chilly side. 35, that's about 4 degrees below average. Now, will we get down to the freezing point? More than likely, no. Some of the higher elevation regions, especially ones in southeast New Mexico, yes, that's certainly possible. Wind chill factor for tonight. Yeah, that's what you got to watch out for. Maybe one of those heavier jackets if you have any kind of outdoor plans. But of course, what should you wear for tomorrow? How bad's it going to get? About 62. So I'd say enough for like a nice sweater. Tennis shoes you should be just fine with. If you have any kind of early morning plans, yeah, it's going to be in the 30s. But hey, we warm up to the 60s. Overall, I can't complain too much. What about over the next couple of days? Well, let's go ahead and play this through and stop me if you see something. That's right, there's not much happening. As a matter of fact, it's just going to be a change in our winds. High pressure is going to move out to the east. That's going to change us to a more southerly flow. What does that mean? Well, it just means that temperatures are going to be slightly warming up over the next couple of days. How warm? We're looking more in those mid 60s. What about Thanksgiving? You're probably traveling, and you know what? Turkey, yeah. Poor little guy getting on the wrong bus here. Nonetheless, though, I do have those temperatures staying in those mid to upper 50s throughout your lunch as well as your dinner time. But of course, what about Black Friday? Yeah, you're probably going to be checking those receipts, looking at anything from a Fortnite lamp to an iPhone, all misspelled, of course. Nonetheless, mostly clear, and I do have those temperatures staying in those lower 40s, going to be a little bit on the chillier side. But hey, we're not looking too bad. Sunny and mild for the next couple of days. Do a little turkey dance, of course. But we have a big cold front coming through. That's just in time for the weekend. No rain chances, but I do have those temperatures dropping. Yeah, we're not looking at lows of the 40s. We're looking at highs in the 40s.
Jordan Frazier, meteorologist / comedian, ladies and gentlemen. Up next.
Well, Thanksgiving is in 2 days. What happened with November? Nonetheless, I do have some pretty mild conditions over the next couple of days. So tomorrow, yes, it is going to be a bit chilly starting off the morning. We're talking about those mid-30s, wind chill getting close to freezing. Nonetheless, though, heading into Thanksgiving, do your little turkey dance. Nonetheless, I do have just pretty much mild conditions. Not too hot, not too cold, just right, like Goldilocks. Then the big cold front comes in. I do see some cloud cover. I'm not seeing rain chances. They kind of got rid of that in the forecast from yesterday, but then we start to see much colder conditions. I'm talking 40s for the highs. Winds shouldn't be too bad though, so it's not going to be that kind of biting cold, but we'll see.
It's going to be decent. I'm going to be doing that same turkey dance, so we'll see. We'll see you guys back here at 5.